Welcome. If you're looking to remove the description from a Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you want to keep your group's details private or simply want a cleaner look, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it with the latest Telegram update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram Web. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at your chat list on the left side of the screen. Find the group where you're an admin, the one whose description you want to delete. Click on that group to open the chat window. At the top right corner, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you can change various details about the group. Now, focus on the group description section. You'll see the current description displayed in a text box. Click inside this box to activate the cursor. Simply select all the text in the description, either by clicking and dragging your mouse or by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Once all the text is highlighted, press the Delete or Backspace key to remove it completely. With the description box now empty, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the settings window. Click Save to confirm your changes. Telegram will update the group's information, and the description will be gone instantly. That's it. You've successfully deleted the description of your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This quick process helps you manage your group's appearance and privacy with just a few clicks. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who might need a hand. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.